Ghana de shimang me. Na deng na Ahempɔn ni Aberempɔn ni Ahinititiampɔn ni Ayirifiampɔn ni Kwakwadibiriampɔn nyinaa apatuw atɔtɔ mumi. Africans to rise, irrespective of one's age, language, or tribe. Every poisoned river is a nation denied. Every fallen forest is a future that dies. Before empires territorialized existence politically, before corporations monetized survival economically, before machines excavated mountains mechanically, water already sustained life universally, before churches baptized humanity spiritually, before mosques purified bodies ceremonially, before shrines honored rivers ancestrally. Every civilization survived through water historically. Every bloodstream flows through water biologically. Every forest breathes through water naturally. Every ocean regulates climate atmospherically. Even tears themselves speak water emotionally.
All the women, let us rise up. All the men, let us rise up. Africans, let us rise up and fight Galamsey. All the elders, let us rise up. All the youth, let us rise up. Africans, let us rise up and fight Galamsey.
Abemfoni, abuafoni, akomafoni, akamafoni, ayamafoni, adimafoni, ajemafoni, afamafwe. Eti nsu ayere seni. Tempa na nchima benu.